Hello guys, today we are going to prepare for coding challenge. So let's do the first question they might ask you is about the palindrome. So in a string, so in forward and in a backward, is that string is the same? So to check the string, so let's write the palindrome code. So write the functions is palindrome and then you have to check to the string forward and backward, is it same or not, and then we declare the variables. Reverse, we need to check it, so we make the variables reverse and reverse as a string, and take the empty string, and now we will write the for loop. We will write a let variables. Let I is equal to string dot length, and we will check the whole length, length, and then if I will do -1, then it will check all the strings one by one and backwards, and I greater than is equal to 0, and I minus minus. So let's write I minus minus to go backward. And then we can write the in for loop we want to see the reverse. Reverse is equal to reverse plus string of I, so that we can take the reverse of string I, and if after taking the reverse, if reverse is equal to string, that will be the palindrome. Reverse is equal to string, then it will be palindrome. So return true, and if it is else, we write the else. Else it is a false, so return false. So we will write return false, and we could take else statement, and then for functions we will write the oh, I forgot to write the bracket for the functions, so let's write the bracket, and we have to check the let's take the string 1 and string 2 to check out. So let string 1 is equal to suppose you are taking a race car, and then backward will be the same, and let's take the another string, string 2, like string 2 you can take a Nitin, and then it will be, let's take another string to check out. String 3 is equal to maybe Ramesh or Raman, whatever. So let's check it out, and let's write the semicolon after declaring the variables. And in JavaScript we need to write the semicolon, and to run the JavaScript we write the node and file's name string logic.js, and let's see, its came string 1 is the true and false, so that means race car, if you will opposite way for backward, if you will take the strings, it will be say the same, like race car it will come string, and Nitin for it will come false. Ramin it will not come as a the same, NEMAR it will become, so that is the false. That's how you have to check the palindromes. This is the very important question for the UI developer and front-end developer. Thank you guys.